Hi everyone, hope you all are safe and sound wherever you are. Today I'm sharing some moments from my daily routine on a lockdown day, so keep watching. My day starts here with a beautiful view of flight when the sun is going to rise. I could hear sounds of different birds which I have never heard before. Maybe because there is nobody outside to disturb them, they can communicate freely by singing and chirping. So it's lockdown for us and freedom for birds and animals. Entering my world, where I spend most of my time, the first thing I need in the morning is a cup of strong tea. Meanwhile, I have to wake my kids up. Because of COVID, all the schools are closed, but they have started e-learning. So it's like regular school days only. I need to wake up early in the morning and make them sit in front of the computer. Adding a small tip: to get a good strong tea, patience is important. It's almost brewed, let me strain it. If you listen in the background, you can hear news. When I start my day with tea, my hubby starts his day with news. Don't know how many channels he covers in 1 hour. This is my favorite place here to have my cup of tea, and I'm so excited to meet my special guest. At far what you see is Thane Creek and mangrove forest on its shore. See, they're coming, flocks of pink beauty flamingos, and what a mind-blowing scene it is. Every winter, thousands of migratory flamingos come to wetlands in Mumbai from Kutch in Gujarat, and they will be here till monsoon, which is their breeding time. Also, they come for blue-green algae in the mudland, which is food for the flamingo. This could be one of the first times these migratory birds come in large numbers, almost 25% more than last year, and the number goes above 1.5 lakhs. So we are answerable why so many flamingos flocked to Mumbai this year. This is the other side of my flat. You have seen a lush green beauty at one side, but here it's a concrete jungle. Because of COVID, kids are getting good quality time at home. Not only for kids, but for all of us, it's good time to self-discover and start a long-lost hobby or passion. My cleaning routine have no fixed time. It's not me doing the house chores. My kids and hubby joins me. My daughter has started showing her interest in cooking, so I do encourage her and support in whatever ways I can. She is making white sauce pasta. We need to boil pasta with 3 cups of water and half teaspoon of oil and salt. Boil them until cooked, not very soft. It will take almost 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, we can mix maida with 1 cup of milk. Add milk a little at a time by stirring continuously with a spoon. I think this white sauce pasta is all-time kids' favorite recipe. All the kids would enjoy because of its silky, smooth, aromatic sauce. Our pasta is cooked. Transfer to a strainer and drain excess water. It's time to make white sauce. Add 2 cubes of butter to a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic pieces and salt for 30 seconds. To this goes maida milk. By mixing well, we can add that. Stir it continuously until the sauce becomes thick. My kids love cheese, so she's adding cheese slices, it's optional. It's good if we add mozzarella cheese, but due to lockdown I have only cheese slices with me. Adding 1 teaspoon of oregano. Usually for white sauce pasta we add a pinch of pepper only, but she likes spiciness, so adding half teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute until creamy smooth. It's good if we can add vegetables, but my kids love as it is. Adjust salt according to your taste. So when the cheese gets melted, add cooked pasta and mix well. Adding little oregano powder. Sharing a tip, it's good if we serve this hot, else pasta may get thickened. Our yummy white sauce pasta is ready to serve. Definitely kids would love this, please do try. My cleaning routine have no fixed time. I do whenever I get free time. Now kids can step out to play and workouts are even necessary, so make them do any form of physical activities they love to do. On this day, this is my floor cleaning time and a relaxed, refreshing tea after that. Summer has just started and it's very hot here, so I give them anything cold to have in the evenings. This is Palm Beach Road, which is used to be a very busy one, especially in the night. Now Mumbai is not a city that never sleeps. It has changed. Let us all pray to overcome this challenging time, and a big salute to all the social workers who are there to help us. Bye bye.